What's up, old school homies? Today I'm going to explain to you guys what chalcedony is. It's kind of a difficult subject, so I'm going to take on what the differences are between quartz, which we all could kind of tell just comes to a point, it's silicon dioxide, and chalcedony, which can be any kind of shape and is silicon dioxide. Why do they form into different shapes? Well, it's due to mogonite. A chalcedony is both quartz and mogonite intertwined together. So there are quartz crystal points inside of this rock, but they're intertwined with mogonite. Before you get too confused, mogonite is silicon dioxide. And if you look it up online, it'll look like this. This is one that I found in Acton, a little bit above LA, maybe 50 minutes above LA. And these other two I found in Pomona. It's a very common mineral in the earth, silicon dioxide, quartz. So the difference is kind of debated. Is there a difference? Well, obviously, it's in the crystal structure. If one grows into a crystal point and these others are considered a polymorph, it can grow into any kind of shape. It has no cleavage. It could break off in any kind of shape. It's different. And mogonite is the difference between quartz and chalcedony. Whether or not you want to believe in mogonite or not, it started getting debated in 1994. They tried to throw it out and say mogonite is the same chemical composition as quartz. These two are the same, the fish and the point. Well, it's found in 2007 that we have to accept mogonite as its own silica. We still call it a silica. And that's it. Don't get confused that there's all different colors and shapes, because these are considered chalcedonies. This is an aventurine and this is an agate. They're beautiful. This has micas in it. You can't see them. This has beautiful color banding. You wouldn't really try to sell those as a chalcedony because you wouldn't get as much money. Now, if you do look online, high-grade chalcedony is usually this purple color. And that's kind of explaining that it's the plane, but sometimes it's actually heated up to get that purple color. And that's the high end, the hype of the word chalcedony in gem terms.